What is up, vlog party people? Today is an exciting day. I am on my way to 4 Wheel Parts in Salt Lake City. So what we are going there to pick up is a little bit top secret. Won't be so top secret after today, but this is one of the first places you guys will see what I'm about to show you. Also, thank you to Bud for letting me borrow the old 6.0 to haul what I'm going to pick up because my truck is in the shop. It's gonna be undergoing some changes this weekend, and today is also my birthday, so it's gonna be a really great day. I'm not doing too much today for my birthday besides going to 4 Wheel Parts, getting some exciting things, and then putting this video up for you guys. If you're watching this the same day it's posted, today's also my birthday. Drop a comment, say happy birthday. Also drop a comment and let me know what you think about what I'm about to show you guys. It's gonna be exciting. Got my Red Bull, got my 4 Wheel Parts swag on. I am ready for the day. Let's go.
So we just lifted it. You can see
I love it.
A brand new Skyjacker.
Oh my
kit.
gosh, yeah. Oh, I love Skyjacker.
I don't know what he's asking for it, but yeah, it's got, you know, new blocks, new shocks, all that. So it's lifted. He was gonna take it up to Alaska, but
really? I love it.
Flatbed on or something
Bud that works for Sparks, he's seen this and sent me pictures of it, and I was like, oh my gosh. He's like, it's at the 4 Wheel Parts store, because I love stuff like this.
Yeah. So yeah, we just got a brand new lift kit on it.
That's awesome. I'm excited. All right, so we got it all loaded up. It's a little bit of a tight squeeze. Got some up in the cab too. Old Bud's truck did not have too much room. So it's safe to say I won't be speeding on the highway.
What are we working on, Lace?
Oh, got the new 4 Wheel Parts wheels.
What?
Yeah.
They have their own line?
They literally just came out today.
No way.
I can't wait to show you. Oh God. Okay.
Your box is upside down, bro.
Oh no. They were a little bit of a tight fit.
How the heck did you get those all in there?
It
Is this a clown car?
not easy.
Bud, what kind of truck you got here?
And then we also have my Toyos for my truck. So these aren't for my truck. These are 6-lug. So if you, you don't even know what they're for.
No.
No, but so if you, the viewers, have any guesses on what these are for, I'm not going to tell you until the next vlog. So they could be for a new build. They could be for a giveaway. We don't really know yet. Well, I know, but you don't really know yet. I'm excited.
Whoa. 40?
40s, yeah. For
1550?
for
26?
For 26.
Whoa!
Yeah, so these aren't the tires for these wheels. I mean, this whole box fits inside these tires. So these aren't going on my truck, but they will be coming out with 8-lug one day, sometime soon. So,
Big offsets?
I don't know yet, actually. I guess it's all a secret.
Look at those. You could fit like 4 small babies in here.
Oh no. What a good time. Right, but for a 5 and 6-lug?
Oh, it's perfect. Perfect
Yeah,
for like
perfect
a Jeep.
For sure.
F-150.
Oh, for sure. Bud's Ranger, you know.
Exactly.
That might be what we're doing.
Honda Civic.
Honda Civic.
All right, let's see these bad boys.
Would you just look at that?
Oh my heck. All right.
Excited.
Christmas packaging here. Come on. Oh.
I like these.
That's actually pretty sick, eh?
Heck yeah. I like the concave. So there's gonna be a lot of options if we want to powder coat them. You know, we could do this different, the lip different. I love these.
There's some depth to it.
Yeah, these are sweet. Yeah, so they're 10 wide, but they've got the, what, the positive offset, you'd say?
Yeah, that looks like a
A little
positive.
bit of it. It might say the exact.
It might be a negative, actually. It's probably maybe like a,
24.
I would say like a negative 18 maybe, but yeah.
That's pretty good. I guess the concave
Negative 24.
kind of gives it
And it's how wide?
the positive look. By 10.
Nice.
By 10.
That's actually a really good looking wheel.
Yeah, I'm excited. Love these. So this is their exclusive brand. So you can only get these affordable parts.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I like that.
Sweet. So you guys heard right. These are 4-Wheel Parts factory exclusive wheels. This is one of 2 designs, and each design comes in 2 different colors. These I have here are the S series, a little bit more of the street wheel look. You've got some concave. This is the color gloss black with the milled design and the spokes. They also come in a smoke color, which is a really pretty charcoal gray. The other design is called the T series, and it's a little bit more of their off-road design with the faux beadlock look, and they come in either bronze with a black lip or matte black with a black lip, and both of those look super sick. Both of these designs come in multiple diameters, offsets, and lug patterns. So you guys can go to one of the 95 stores across America or to 4wheelparts.com and see if they have what you're looking for. Right now, they're only available in 5 and 6 lug, but I hear A-Lug may be coming soon in the near future, so you guys be on the lookout for that. But right now, these are what are available. Also, one of my favorite things about these wheels is that they're stronger than your average cast wheel because they're actually roll-formed construction. So they're so confident in the construction of these things that they're giving you a lifetime warranty. That means no cracked wheels, no broken wheels. They're confident that these things are gonna hold up for whatever you need them for. For those of you not familiar with rolled form construction, because I wasn't either, and I did some research on it, and I'm pretty impressed. It is a process that applies pressure to the inner wheel after casting, stretching, and forming the material, causing the aluminum to flow while imparting tensile strength, similar to how forged wheels are made, which I think is super cool. Because of this technology, the result is greater strength and shock resistance over conventional cast wheels, which translates to overall better vehicle performance because of course they're gonna last a heck of a lot longer and be a heck of a lot stronger. Am I going to put them on a build? Am I gonna give them away? You will find out on the next video. I will see you guys later, and I hope you have a good day.